I've been recording YouTube videos since January 2026. I have about 15 videos, maybe like 10 shorts. With all of that, and you know that videos can take anywhere from an hour to 4 hours to edit. With all of that, I only have 10 subscribers. 10 subscribers. And not even an hour of viewing time. This week, I almost quit YouTube. As I think about where I would like this channel to shift, I recognize I need to the intention was to let everyone in more. In this 2.0 stage of life, there are so many things going on. We're trying to drink our water, take our vitamins, make sure we get our steps in, make sure we keep our skin clear, make sure we don't harm anybody in all of these changes that's going on, while at the same time discovering or rediscovering our passions and the things that we truly love that we had to put aside. I know for me, if you listen to my other video of writing in your 2.0 stage of life, I was a mother and a single mother at that. Had been married, spouse moved, remarried someone else, and it was me and my son for the longest time. And so I had to put aside, writing to take care of the bills. We had to pay the bills. Like, I had to make sure that there was food on the table, make sure there was lights on. So writing really got pushed to the background until I was like, okay, I reached about 48, and I was like, or maybe 47. I was like, what about your love? Like, because life really became unbearably mundane, but also very depressing because of that. So as I look to pivot the direction of this channel, you all are going to have to grow with me as I feel more comfortable to let you in on the process, actually, but also to let you in to see me cringe. And while also learning how to edit and learning how to make these videos that are quality where you're not trying to get around the mistakes, but also more relatable, right? Because we need relatability in these days and times. So that's my hope as I look to and grow into pivoting back to the original purpose of the channel. Stay with me. said, like, the initial aim for this channel was to really, really encourage women that are in, that phase of life. If you finding that you've always wanted to write, and you have lived enough, like the children have left or almost out the house, and you're like rediscovering your passions, whatever that might be. Like, my channel is for that woman who have a story or stories burning in them and need some help in discovering that story and giving it voice, while also learning some of the mechanics of this. I will tell you, like, when I first started writing, or started back writing rather, I had no idea. I didn't know all the things about how to give, put certain margins and stuff into Microsoft, because I write out of Microsoft. I haven't graduated to all the other things. I'm like, you know what, I'm old school, right? So we're going to stick with Microsoft. But I didn't know how to do that. I didn't know about uploading the KDP. I didn't know about cover creation. I didn't know about all those things. And it really, literally was a phase of just learning and digesting, and I'm still digesting now, but also not being afraid of that, right? Not being afraid to learn and play and indulge in something new. And so my channel is for that woman that's like, I still have all of this life in me, and I want to write, and I want to create, and I want to explore creating, and I want, that's the legacy I want to leave for myself, not even for anybody else, just for myself. So my hope is that I will be able to indulge that woman to launch out into the deep, to cast her net out into the deep and pursue that passion of writing and get that message out there. And one of the things I have come to find is that writing is so healing. It's so healing. It's so healing. It's so good. It's so good. It's so good. It's so good. It's so healing and good. And I think the woman that wants to write, this channel is for her to do it. We like Nike on this channel. Just do it. Y'all, thank you for joining me for this, like, grown woman, real talk of, starting anything new and seeing it through, no matter how it looks. There's so many things that I've decided to do, and as this channel evolves to more of an inside look, I'm going to let you in, right? I'm gonna let you in, because the one thing over this last month, I've discovered that my creativity doesn't stop at just writing. There are other things that I will stop doing. I will stop writing and go do these other things. And so as we grow together, and as you grow with me, I'll let you in on the things that fuel my creativity that's not always writing. And you'll just come with me on the ride. So anyway, if you love what you saw, subscribe or no, or keep watching, or go to my other videos, or just stay tuned. So thank you so much for joining me. Thank you so much for giving me your time, and I hope to see you soon.